Welcome back. I'm sure you're excited to get started, and I'm excited for you too. So to make sure we understand each other, I'm going to do a walkthrough of the different sections of the QuickBooks Online platform. My intention for creating this course is to provide a reference guide approach so the user could learn what he or she needed to learn and return to doing his or her task without wasting too much time. As you go through the course, you notice how each section coincides with a specific QuickBooks Online platform feature. So let's begin. First, start in the dashboard. The dashboard is where you begin your task on this platform. To the left is the navigation bar. These have the features banking, sales, expenses, employees, reports, taxes, accounting, and My Accountant. The next video is on banking and so on. The course layout is so while you are working on your books, you could resize your screen to reference material you might have a question about. Let's continue. If you notice across the top, there's a black bar. To the top left is an icon with horizontal lines. If you click on this, it collapses the left navigation bar. Going across to the top right are a few icons. The first is the Create Plus icon, the next is the Search icon, then the Gear icon, and then finally the Question icon. If you click on each of these, they open up into a new window. This course has specific sections with lectures for each of these. To the left, just below these features, is a link, Resume Setup. If you click on this, it allows you to access some important features to quickly get you set up and operating in your QuickBooks Online platform. Just to the right of that is a privacy selection. If you select it, it turns the dashboard off. Further down to the right is your bank and credit card account registers, and at the bottom is a Connect Accounts link to add new accounts. In the Dashboard Center is 4 sections: Invoices, Expenses, Profit and Loss, and Sales. Each section gives a status report of your revenue, your expenses, profits, and sales. If you click on these sections, a new window opens with your business sales transaction report for expenses, and a profit and loss report. The sales section allows you to select the time frame only. Just below this section, Intuit has a tips section to invite you to review some add-on tools and the resource center to your QuickBooks Online platform. Since I'm using a laptop computer for this demonstration, the tips section is not shown, but does show on a desktop computer. Also, to the bottom right below the bank account list is a link, See All Activity. When clicking on this, it opens up an Audit Log History report. This shows who has worked on your books you gave access to and their activities. So that is a walkthrough of the dashboard. Please explore these features and become familiar with them so you are efficient with working on your books. See you in the next video.